In this video, we will show how to replace a broken or defective screen for an iPhone 6. Throughout the video, we will remove many different screws. These screws can vary in size and must go back into the location that they came from. It is recommended to organize the screws in a way that you will remember where they go. The first step is to power off the phone. Next, we will remove the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the phone. Apply the suction cup to the bottom half of the screen just above the home button. Pull firmly using the ring attached to the suction cup. The screen should begin to lift slowly. If needed, you can use the plastic pry tool to help remove the screen from the case. Do not pull the screen completely from the case, as there are a few ribbon cables that will need to be disconnected first. Remove the two Phillips screws and metal cover for the battery cable. Disconnect the battery cable using the spudger. Remove the 5 Phillips screws and metal cover for the screen ribbon cables. Using the spudger, disconnect the 4 ribbon cables. Connect the 4 ribbon cables on the replacement screen to the phone. Reinstall the metal cover and 5 screws over the ribbon cables. Reconnect the battery cable. Reinstall the metal cover and 2 screws over the battery cable. Peel the plastic cover off the back of the screen. Using your fingers, press the screen firmly back together with the phone case. Reinstall the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom of the phone.